This video demonstrates how to use Smart Configurator in SEGGER Embedded Studio for RISC-V MCU. The FPB R9A02G021 fast prototyping board is used for demonstration. First, download and install the Smart Configurator and SEGGER Embedded Studio for RISC-V MCU. Launch Smart Configurator for RISC-V MCU from the Start menu. Select File, New to create a configuration file for SEGGER Embedded Studio. Select the FPB R9A02G021 board, then select the SEGGER RISC-V toolchain. Enter the file name. Select the file location. Click Finish. A Smart Configurator configuration file is created. The configuration such as pin assignment and clock frequency for the selected board will be set automatically. To add a component into the project, select the Components tab. Click the Add Component button. Select a component from the component list. Click Finish. The component is added to the component tree. Click the component in the component tree, and configure it in the Configure pane. Click the Generate Code button, then click Proceed button. Code generation is successful will be shown at the console window. Click on the generated file path to open the source file folder. Go to the project folder. Smart Configurator outputs the related files and the source file in this folder. Double-click demo.mproject file to open SEGGER Embedded Studio. The license agreement may pop up. The project generated by Smart Configurator is opened in SEGGER Embedded Studio. User can update the configuration in the Smart Configurator and the project files will be updated accordingly. Click the Generate Code button. In SEGGER Embedded Studio, click Yes to reload the project. You can add your own code to the generated files by either inserting it into the dedicated code protection areas, or by creating your own protected code areas, using comments Start User Code and End User Code. The file rsmcentry.h includes the header files of Smart Configurator generated APIs. It is included in main.c automatically. Right-click on the project name and select Build. The project is built successfully. For debugging RISC-V MCU, use the SEGGER J-Link emulator. For more details on the usage of RISC-V MCU Smart Configurator in SEGGER Embedded Studio, please refer to the user's guide.